If you've ever felt a subtle breeze near your windows, even when they're closed, you're likely experiencing air leakage. In Mandeville, where warm, humid summers and cooler winter evenings are part of the seasonal cycle, drafts can make your home less comfortable and more expensive to maintain. Fortunately, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to minimize drafts and reduce air leakage. Here's how modern window technology helps create a tighter, more comfortable home environment in Mandeville. Why drafts happen over time. Older windows can develop gaps around the frame, worn weather stripping, or weakened seals between glass panes. These small openings allow conditioned indoor air to escape while letting outdoor air seep inside. In Mandeville's humid climate, this can lead to uneven indoor temperatures, higher cooling costs in summer, chilly spots during cooler months, increased indoor humidity levels. Even minor air leaks can add up, forcing your HVAC system to work harder than necessary. The power of advanced sealing systems. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed with tight sealing systems that dramatically reduce air infiltration. High-quality weather stripping and compression seals create a snug barrier when the window is closed. Casement windows, for example, press firmly against the frame when locked, forming an airtight seal. Double-hung and sliding windows now feature improved track systems and interlocking rails that limit air movement. When professionally installed, these windows significantly reduce drafts throughout your home. Multi-pane glass improves insulation. Energy-efficient windows typically include double or triple-pane insulated glass units. Between each pane is an airspace often filled with argon gas, which slows heat transfer. While glass insulation is often associated with temperature control, it also helps minimize air movement and stabilize indoor comfort. When the glass and frame work together as a sealed unit, outside air has fewer opportunities to enter. This is especially beneficial during Mandeville's hot summers, when keeping cooled air inside is essential. Low-E coatings reduce temperature fluctuations. Low emissivity. Low-E coatings on window glass reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to pass through. This reduces heat gain during warm months and limits heat loss during cooler periods. By stabilizing interior temperatures, low-E coatings reduce the pressure on your HVAC system, helping your home feel consistently comfortable without drafts or hot spots. Proper installation makes the difference. Even the most advanced energy-efficient window won't perform properly without expert installation. Small gaps around the window frame can undermine performance and allow air leakage. Professional installers measure precisely to ensure a proper fit. Use expanding foam insulation around the frame. Apply weather-resistant sealants. Install flashing to protect against moisture intrusion in Mandeville's humid environment. Proper installation also helps prevent condensation and moisture buildup inside walls. Benefits you'll notice immediately after upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Many Mandeville homeowners notice improvements right away. Reduced drafts near windows, more consistent room temperatures, lower monthly energy bills, quieter indoor environment. By eliminating air leaks, your HVAC system doesn't have to cycle as frequently, which can extend its lifespan as well. Long-term comfort and savings. Minimizing drafts isn't just about comfort, it's also about protecting your investment. Reduced air leakage helps control humidity levels, which is especially important in Mandeville's climate. This can protect interior finishes, prevent mold growth, and maintain healthier indoor air quality. Energy-efficient windows are designed to deliver long-term performance, making them a smart upgrade for homeowners seeking year-round comfort. A tighter, more comfortable home in Mandeville. Drafts and air leaks may seem minor, but they can significantly impact your home's comfort and energy efficiency. By upgrading to professionally installed energy-efficient windows, Mandeville homeowners can create a tighter building envelope that keeps conditioned air inside where it belongs. The result is a more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable home, no matter the season.